In this simple tutorial, today we're going to learn about Procreate and using some of its default brushes to emulate sort of a watercolor feel. So open up Procreate and create a new canvas. Use some default resolution, that's fine. Go into Artistic and then Terralia. Select a slightly reddish color, but make sure it's light, and start drawing slowly. Take it easy, very easy, slowly. Start gently pushing your pencil on the iPad screen to create this nice watercolor effect. Now use a bit of a orange color and orange brownish color, and slowly create beautiful strokes of watercolor. Okay, so now we need to create a layer. So before we select a brush, let's create a new layer first, and then we're gonna go into our basic brushes, inking brushes, and find something nice we can use. For example, we can use the gel pen brush or any other brush you like, but make sure that it has nice similar strokes to everything, and make sure your streamline is up, because if you're a beginner, make sure your streamline is up way high so that you don't mess up your drawing that easily. Okay, so now make a couple of strokes and make a small circle on the top, and make a small circle and another small circle, and as you go down, make sure the circle gets smaller as the stems you go on the base of the stem. Okay, now make a few dots like this, and maybe some small circles here and there. Now finish the second one and the third one. It's that easy. Take your time. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. You do your creative style, and sometimes through practice you'll find your creative style anyway. So keep going slowly. Okay, and once we're done, now we want the inside of the circle to be white. So let's create another layer and select the color white, and then let's zoom in. And before we do that, we need to move this layer on bottom of the inked layer, the black outline layer. So we just drag and drop that layer on the bottom of it and start drawing the white outlines. Easy, slowly draw the whites inside the circle, just like this. As you can see, zoom in more if you need to. Okay, so I'm gonna speed up this process, and you just keep following. Using the same process in the same way, we're just gonna create a different kind of a flower. Okay, for example, like this, small, something you draw when you are a little kid, and now rotate it and then make smaller ones as the stem goes down, just like before. Okay, just like before, select the white painting layer and draw the inside of the leaves white, just like this. Take it easy, take your time. You don't have to rush anything, and if you make a mistake, you can always undo. But remember, it's not about the fixing mistakes, it's more about learning to draw and enjoying it. So that was my first tutorial. I hope I could help you in some way. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I'll see you on the next video.